The sun breaks low across the plain. The red earth breathes, it calls my name. Through ancient winds and skies of flame, the world stands still, is all the same. Oh, 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 oh. Mountains carved from time's old hands, echoes roll through silent lands. Every ridge a story told, of hearts like fire, of dreams grown bold. Through dust and gold the light will stay, guiding souls that lose their way. Every shadow, every sign points me to this heart of mine. Red horizon, where the skies unfold, burning bright, a heart of gold. Through the silence I can hear the voice of time that draws me near. Red horizon, wild and free, your spirit lives inside of me. Flinders calls through dusk and dawn. I am home, I am reborn. Fading light on crimson stone, I find peace when I'm alone. Whispered winds through desert air tell me life still lingers there. Every heartbeat, every sound echoes softly through the ground. The past and now, they intertwine. This ancient soul becomes mine. Red horizon, where the skies unfold, burning bright, a heart of gold. Through the silence I can hear the voice of time that draws me near. Red horizon, wild and free, your spirit lives inside of me. Flinders calls through dusk and dawn. I am home, I am reborn. Let the sun sink slow and deep. The land remembers, the hills still sleep. 1,000 years and still they shine. Their truth remains, their soul divine. Red horizon, oh, fate tonight, oh, hold me close in your golden light. Through the ages, oh, through the storm, your beauty stands, your heart still warm. Red horizon, endlessly, you'll always be a part of me. Flinders Ranges, wild and strong, your spirit sings my travel song. Oh, oh, oh.